Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, April 18th here. Kind of a lighter day today in terms of what we've been experiencing this week on economic news. So the only thing we have today is the Fed's Beige Book, which will be released about 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, excuse me, later this morning here. And that essentially will give us kind of the economic update of what's going on in the 12 different regional Fed centers here. So kind of give us as to what they're reporting in the different 12, the 12 different locations of economic news, or what they're saying. And that could, of course, move the markets a little bit. Stock market's up like pretty much this whole week. It's been kind of centered around the earnings reports. We're getting continuous great earnings reports coming out from the first quarter from different companies here, from like Netflix to a lot of financial institutions out there to what have you, really. Just a lot of great earnings reports coming out, and of course, it's boosting the stock market. It's actually boosted the stock market up that now it's in positive territory after taking its beating over the last 2 months. You know, Going up and down. Now it's back into positive territory for the year. So that's good news right there. We do got a few Fed speakers with their speaking engagements going on out there later today. So, again, anytime they speak, there could be, that could move the markets depending on what they say. But just be cautious. We've been seeing a lot of volatility of late. So today could possibly be no different. Yesterday it was pretty much throughout the whole day. It was kind of the same. We didn't really see much difference between the movement from mortgage-backed securities, stocks, everything were pretty much in that same range throughout the day. So that was kind of a nice change of pace. So speaking of such, let's take a look here at the bond market, see what's up here. It's not looking too great here. We are, of course, below below the 50-day moving average here, the 25-day moving average. This is where we ended up yesterday, pretty close to where we left off the previous day, but now we're down about 12 basis points, and we got a total of about 40 basis points until we hit the next floor of support. This could be a bit of a concern, especially looking at the Treasury here, which has been stuck between this 50-day moving average and this 25-day moving average. So now it's making a push above the 50-day moving average. Now, if it can make a big push on that, that's going to create more pressure on the mortgage-backed securities and probably push us closer to this floor support here. And what does that mean? Basically, rates go up. So when mortgage-backed securities go downward like this, rates are rising, and that's what we're kind of seeing here with yields. Yields are rising, and so rates are going up as a result. So just be cautious out there. If you're out there, you got a loan out there that you're refinancing or purchasing and you haven't locked in, it's probably a good time to get locked in because if anything, we got in the near term, things are, it's going upwards. All right, so that pretty much wraps things up. Again, excuse me, it's a little lighter day compared to what we've been experiencing, but if you guys want to get more data, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork under my handle on Twitter and get the day's updates that way as well. You guys have a great day. Enjoy the rest of it, and I look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow will be pretty early on, as I have a all-day work event going on. So I'll probably be trying to get up a little earlier, get this out, and it might be a little quick. So my apologies, but just want to try to get it out there for you guys because I'll be kind of occupied for the whole day, and then start again on Friday. But otherwise, you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys again tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.